Morning, lawn dogs. Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care. UlnarLawnCare.com.
Good morning.
And Amelia.
Hi. Get in the car.
We're heading in for our Friday. She doesn't have school today.
Or golf.
Or golf. She shot a record high, 71, yesterday. Only been playing golf a month. A little over a month now, huh? Anyway, stick around for some footage. And we'll be right back.
Turn the camera this way.
I know. It's just, you messed it all up.
Well, then fix it.
Well, don't touch the camera.
Well, fix it.
You don't know how to control the camera. Don't touch it.
Well, then talk about the dirt.
I said the guy washed his hands with dirt.
Yes, why?
Because dirt's dirty.
Yes. There
But
was
it's
more
clean.
than that.
Dirt's clean. It's just dirty.
It's weird because dirt isn't like
But it's
bad.
not.
It's not disgusting. But people say when you're messy, oh, you're dirty.
Yeah, but
it's not dirty.
but dirt isn't like.
But dirt.
If dirt's good for you. God made dirt. Dirt don't hurt.
I used to eat dirt. So
You still do.
I know how. Why do you do this to me? Just wanted.
Come on. Someone said something about drop starting the trimmer.
I can't. It's so bad.
Let's see.
This is like, how do you go like this? You go.
Well, don't beat it on the cement.
Well, I'm going to the grass. Oh, I'm not good at this. So.
Well, go around to the other side. Might be easier. There you go. You're right-handed, not left-handed.
You don't know that. I'm ambidextrous.
Come on. Don't slam it.
I'm not trying to.
Just hold it. Hold it and pull. There you go.
I can do this.
Why isn't it starting then?
I don't know. See that?
Jag hade frågat flera gånger om jag kunde bjuda dig ut. Du skrattade alltid skämtsamt, men ändå sa du ja till slut. Du sa en middag men sen inget mer, så får jag bli till din kavaljer. Men du ska vara hemma innan solen går ner, säger du och ler. Jag bokade bord för två på en liten restaurang med rutiga dukar och ljus och gammalt slitet möblemang. Vi skulle träffas där 7:00, men den är nästan 8 nu. Jag sitter här och väntar ännu, men vad är du? Varför leker du med känslorna som jag har för dig? Om du visste redan innan att du inte vill, varför sa du inte nej? Jag trodde faktiskt inte att du skulle vara en sån tjej. Nu står jag här med tomma ord, ett dukat bord och känslorna för dig. Det kom ett brev efter några dagar med en liten enkel rad. Du sa förlåt att du sårat mig och ville träffas.
What? These gotta be the worst pickles
Domestic.
ever. Like, usually they're pretty good. Oh, speaking of pickles, That's what we can eat. The pickles are homemade pickles. Yeah.
We're gonna be able to eat them soon.
Like now, we can eat them now, really.
Really?
It said 8 weeks, which was Aurora's birthday on the 11th of September, but I mean, it's the 5th, it's close enough, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God, these are horrible!
Oh, Dad. What's wrong with them?
I don't know what. I don't know if we got a bad bunch of pickles or what. I mean, they're it's like over pickled.
Maybe we had them in the junction, like, I don't know. You know, we usually...
No, these are kosher too. It's like elastic. These are the ones we normally buy. We just gotta. There you go.
Maybe someone
Bad
put too much dill on there? Garlic or something? I don't know.
Oh,
Why are you still eating it if it's so bad?
I'm hungry. Not bad, but I'm just hungry.
Don't you have more food in there?
Smile, let's see.
Maybe that's just why I'm superior.
I don't know if we're gonna end up mowing this one today because they're putting in a new septic tank. And the reason this got brought up is I have a feeling the guys got a little poop water on his hand and he washed it with dirt.
Yeah, I think so.
Here, let's see. Sure. Well, the owner's gonna meet us here, so we'll talk about it. I like these other people. See it down in there? There's one left in there. I don't know how many more are in there, but I mowed over it and luckily I didn't kill no babies. But, oh man. Hopefully they're gone by next week. I'll have to keep an eye out for them. One did run out after I mowed over it, ran that way. Couldn't find it, so hopefully it found its home. This is the third wildlife animal that's been in the middle of my work today. The unbelievable. What's up? Where you going? No, you gotta get off. I gotta put some mulch there. Keep going, okay? You keep going. There you go. Scooty, Scooty. Move that booty. Scooty, Scooty, move that booty. Scooty, Scooty, move that booty. Come on, quit looking at me. All right, wander off to the woods.
Every singer needs a song. Every bell cries out to be around. Every dog wanna wag its tail. Life ain't nothing but a pilgrim trail.
Hi, Dad. I wanted to say, have a good day. Work hard. Be the best you can be. You're currently picking up, like bagging grass at this lady's house. So, you have fun with that. And you keep working hard like I know you're going to. And I'll see you when I get home from school, most likely, because I love you. Bye-bye.
Hey lawn dogs, hope you like that. My new toy. Anyway, those paper wasps are no joke. So you guys need to make sure you keep your distance from them. Luckily my customer told me about them, so I was able to keep my distance from them, because once they start attacking, they attack. And they don't let up, and they hurt like hell. So, yeah, we were able to keep a distance. I pointed it out to my daughter. She kept her distance, and nobody got injured by them. But they're still there. So hopefully we get them taken care of. She's got to call an exterminator. She asked me, and I'm like, oh, no, I ain't touching them. That's not my job description. Anyway, hey, we'll see you next time. Sorry these videos are sporadic. It's been a crazy week being by myself, working long hours, and we've had nothing but rain. So always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. Floyd, I'm out.